Centrifugal slurry pumps are tough machines, and when they're sized and installed correctly, they usually deliver as expected. But when something's off, maybe the pump experiences excessive vibration, doesn't deliver the right flow, or the mechanical end overheats. One of the first things to check is NPSH, or net positive suction head. If you ignore NPSH, your pump could end up cavitating, and that's not something you want. Cavitation happens when the pressure at the pump's inlet drops too low, causing vapor pockets to form in the slurry. When these vapor pockets suddenly collapse, they can cause noise, reduce the pump's performance, and even damage parts of the pump over time. Now let's talk prevention. There are two kinds of NPSH, NPSH-R, or net positive suction head required, which is determined by the pump's design and operating conditions, and NPSH-A, or net positive suction head available, which depends on your system design. Ensuring NPSH-A is greater than NPSH-R, you can eliminate the most common cause of cavitation. NPSH-A is all the energy available to feed the pump before the fluid reaches the impeller. NPSH-R is the minimum energy needed for the pump to operate without cavitation. So, think of NPSH as an energy balance. If there's not enough available energy compared to what's required, cavitation can show up fast and bring serious damage with it. To dive deeper into the NPSH equation and how to calculate it accurately, check out the link below or visit our Pump Fundamentals blog. Understanding your NPSH will be a game changer to understanding your pumps and your whole operation.